Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Today I am preparing chicken fajita sandwich. Here I am showing you all how to prepare in grill sandwich maker and also in a pan. For this we need 300 grams boneless chicken, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as needed, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, now add black pepper in the chicken, paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, soya sauce, cumin powder. Mix it well and leave it for 10 minutes. Now take 1 onion, slice it and keep aside. Take some bell pepper. If you don't have red bell pepper and yellow, you can use tomato and carrot too. Slice it and keep aside. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add chicken and fry it. Close the lid for 10 minutes in low flame. Once the chicken was cooked, add onion, and capsicum. Mix it well. Close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and mix it well. Fajita mixture is ready. Take some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese and bread slice. Now start assembling. Add fajita mixture and then add cheese on top. Cover with another slice of bread. Put the slice of bread on grill sandwich maker and leave it for 3 minutes. Take it out, cut it into half and have it. Do try it at home. Add the bread slice and cover the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn it to another side and again leave it for 2 minutes. Take it out. Sandwich is ready to have. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.